Welcome back to our crochet basic series. In today's tutorial we are going to learn two important crochet techniques, increase and decrease. These techniques are used in almost every crochet project, especially amigurumi, hats, bag, coasters and plush toys. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to make your crochet piece grow larger or smaller. So let's get started. So here we have our properties, our yarn and crochet hook, and here I already made a magic ring with a few stitches, like there is two pieces. So on one piece we will do increase and another piece we will do the decrease. Increase means working two stitches into the same stitch. This add one extra stitch and make your project grow wider. So you will use increase to make circles, curves and rounded shapes. Okay, so we will start our increase. Okay, so increase means we need to do two stitch in the same stitch. We will do one single crochet in the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through two. So we made our first single crochet. So just mark this. Okay, then for the increase we need to do the second stitch also in the same stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch. Okay, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through two. So we made our first increase. So we will do once more. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through two. And we are inserting the hook into the same stitch. Okay, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through two. Okay, we made two single crochet in one stitch. That's the increase. Let's practice. And we are inserting into the same stitch itself. We have finished our increase in one row. See, it became a perfect circle. We made two single crochet in each stitch, like we made increase in each stitch. So this is our circle. This is from the front side and this is the back side of the circle. So now let's move to the decrease stitches. So a decrease stitch means it combines two stitch into one. So this reduces the total stitch count and make your project smaller. You will use decrease when shaping heads, body, sleeves or closing amigurumi. So in the case of decrease, there are two types of decrease. One is the normal decrease and the second one is the invisible decrease. I will show you both. So now let's get started. So the normal decrease I will show you, like we need to insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, but don't close the stitch. We need to pull up to we need to insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up the loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook. So we need to yarn over, pull through these 3 stitch together. See, so we made our first stitch, like first decrease stitch. That is the normal decrease stitch. We will do again, like insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, then insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through this 3. Okay, then we will do once more, insert the hook, pull up a loop, then insert the hook into the next, pull up a loop. We have 3, then pull up these 2 together. See, in the increase it goes wider, and in the decrease it became smaller, like we are closing the circle like. So now let's see the invisible decrease method. For this invisible decrease method, we need to insert the hook only into the front loop. So we will insert the hook into the front loop, then don't pull up the loop, just keep like this. Then we need to insert the hook again into the next front loop. See, we have 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Okay, then remaining we have 2 loops on the hook, just yarn over, pull through this 2. Okay, that is the invisible decrease. We will do once more. We will insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Okay, then again the front loop of the next stitch. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then we have 2 remaining, yarn over, pull through 2. So we will do on the next also, so we can close the circle. Insert the hook into the front loop, then again the front loop of the next stitch, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through next 2. Okay, so we have completed our decrease stitch. See, we have made our increase and the decrease. You can see the increase stitch means the crochet project grow larger, and the decrease means the crochet project became smaller in size. So in today's video we have learned the 2 essential crochet techniques, the increase and the decrease. These techniques are the foundation of almost every amigurumi and many other projects. So practice them few times and it will be easy for you. Like after that you can understand the patterns, everything. In our next crochet basics video, we will learn the front loop only and the back loop only and discover how they will create a beautiful textures in the crochet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting.